Born ready.
Alright, let's do it.
What's up, guys?
We're back! Welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today?
So, apparently we didn't have enough projects, so we picked up a couple more.
Woo!
So what we have here, a 2001 and 2002 Yamaha YZ250F. They're almost bone stock, not too much done to them. That one has a FMF Power Bomb exhaust. And we put the front fender and front number plate from 2020 YZ125 and changed the handlebars. Oh, and this one has the larger capacity tank from a WR250. So what's the plan? What are we doing?
So this one's basically ready to ride. It's been test driven a couple times, dropped a couple times, broke the rear fender, wheelie practice. For this one's another story. So it was smoking pretty bad when we got it. It was still running. But we need to redo the valves on it, and the owner of the bikes had a whole bunch of parts laying around that he threw in with the deal, so we got a bunch of parts that we're going to kind of run through. And yeah. I guess we can start with that.
Yeah, let's have a look at all these parts. So what we have, we bought these two cheap eBay graphics kits. These bikes, as you can tell, they're not perfect. They're old. We didn't want to spend too much on them. This is kind of budget build. So we just bought these kits. I think they were like 130 bucks Canadian each. So it's not too bad. What else? So spoke covers to change the colors of the spokes. We're going to paint the wheels black as well. This is just to help when we're working. We have a carb kit, piston. So this is a cam with a decompression built in. So if you've owned a 2001 or 2002 YZ250F, you know all about this decompression lever and how much it sucks. It's just a pain to start with this thing. If you don't do it right, it's super hard to kick. So I think it's in 2004 they switched over to the decompression cam. So we're gonna get rid of all this contraption and replace it with that one, and then it'll be easy to kick just like any other modern dirt.
So this is an essential upgrade for me anyways, as a shorter rider. There's no way I could start it in the trail without being leaned against a tree or against a building. So yeah, this is a must for sure.
Yeah.
What else do we have?
So piston, two new tubes. We have two tires there. Like we said, one of them was smoking pretty bad, so it needed valve seals, and the guy gave us all new valves with it too. Spark plug, wheel bearing, oil filter, cam chain, the regular chain, valve shims to adjust our valve clearance. We got a new number plate for this one too, so we're going to modernize the front end. Yep. We got a new rear fender. This one we had to stick with the 01. They didn't make a new modern fender for the rear. Gaskets. Sprockets, and we'll also get some custom seat covers made to match with our graphics kits. So yeah, I think that's it.
All right, let's get started.
Let's do it.
Make some the ground.